NTA Blog. Owe taxes but can't pay the IRS in full? Don't panic, you have options. Finding out you owe the IRS money when you can't afford to pay it in full can feel like a gut punch. Maybe you were expecting a refund. Instead, you're staring at a balance you don't know how to cover. Take a breath. Don't panic. You're not alone, and you have options. The most important first steps are simple. File your tax return on time, even if you can't pay in full. Pay as much as you can, by the deadline. This reduces penalties and interest and helps you avoid more serious collection actions. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. If you still owe after filing, one common solution is a payment plan, also called an installment agreement. This allows you to make monthly payments over time. You can apply online and choose an amount that realistically fits your budget. Just keep in mind, interest and penalties continue until the balance is paid, and you must stay current on future taxes to keep the agreement in good standing. If paying in full, even over time, isn't possible, you may qualify for an offer in compromise. This program allows some taxpayers to settle their debt for less than the full amount owed. The IRS will review your income, expenses, and assets to determine what you can reasonably pay. Not everyone qualifies, but it can be a powerful option for those facing serious financial hardship. If you're in a temporary financial crisis and can't pay anything at all, you may request currently not collectible status. This pauses most collection activity, giving you breathing room, although the debt and interest remain. Free help is also available. Low-income taxpayer clinics and the Taxpayer Advocate service can assist eligible taxpayers who are struggling to resolve their debt. Most importantly, don't ignore the problem. Doing nothing can lead to liens, levies, and fewer options. Taking action early protects your rights and gives you more control. You may owe taxes, but you still have choices.
The audio version of the NTA blog is created using AI for conciseness and a computer-generated voice. Although reviewed by a human, inconsistencies in context, pronunciation, and tone may occur. The views expressed in this blog are solely those of the National Taxpayer Advocate. The National Taxpayer Advocate presents an independent taxpayer perspective that does not necessarily reflect the position of the IRS, the Treasury Department, or the Office of Management and Budget. NTA blog posts are generally not updated after publication. Posts are accurate as of the original publication date.